Today I have the iPhone 17 Pro and I'm going to be unboxing it. Let's get started. First I'm going to open it up from the bottom. Now I'm here. And I released the safety switches that were on the bottom. I'm just going to go ahead and open to the top. Now I'm here. Comes in a nice case. And inside we'll have a first look at it so you can see what it looks like. Backside. Look at that. It's flat all the way across. I believe they did this in order to make it. I really don't know why they did this, but I'm assuming they did it for a reason. So in the iPhone, you have the 3 cameras, 1, 2, and 3. You have a speaker right there, I believe. Sensor, and I believe that is the flash. The backside, it's a panel. I believe this is for heat dispersion. Look at that. Get in close so you can see that. The 3 cameras, the wide, the telephoto, and the ultra wide. That's what the flash looks like. And the speaker. On the sides, you can see that nothing is much changed from the 16 to the 17, which I have here. You have the silence button, and you have the 2 volume buttons. On the bottom, you have a port for the lightning cable. The port for the USB-C cable. And then you have speakers at the bottom. And on the side, you have 2 buttons. I'm not exactly sure why or what these 2 buttons are for. This is something new, but I will find out about it. In the top, I believe that is an antenna. Not exactly sure. Inside the box, before I show you the screen, is the USB-C cable that comes along with it. Here it is right here. This is the USB-C cable in all its glory. And this is the iPhone. And I'm going to just unveil it. Wait a minute. So this is the silence button, the volume up, the volume down button. Oh, on this side right here, there's a camera button. They actually made a button exclusively for the camera. It's pretty cool. Easy access for using the camera. And the power button, which is right here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. You can see it's clear. The screen right here comes to the edges. It's going to go ahead and press power. And it's powering up. Give it a second, or 2 or 3. While it's powering up, I'll show you the USB-C port. Goes in right here.